So you're heading to Paris in May. I hope you're getting excited for your trip. You're going to have a fantastic time. I'm meteorologist Ian Schwartz, and we got to get you prepared with what's ahead when it comes to the average weather in the month of May in Paris. In this video, we're going to go over several things. We'll talk about the average high and low temperatures in the month, the number of days of rain they tend to see on average, and then some alerts to keep in mind, just so you can prepare and not get surprised by anything. May's a fantastic time to go to Paris. We're not dealing with that insane heat yet, and it's pretty pleasant out there. So let's jump right into the temperatures. On average, those highs are nice in the mid-60s to the low 70s. And the lows, they're not terribly cold. They're getting a bit more mild. The lows throughout the month range from the upper 40s to the mid 50s. It is warm, it is comfortable, you have a whole bunch of daylight, which is nice. All the terraces and the parks, they're alive with spring, and you have a lot of daylight to enjoy all of that. As far as the rain goes, well, we see about 9 to 10 days of rain on average in May. Now, a thing to keep in mind is there is a thunderstorm potential. So in the winter, we kind of have the steady winter rains, gloomy rains. But getting into these spring months, we can see thunderstorm potential, which would, of course, include lightning, gusty winds, and sometimes some hail. What happens is we've seen the Azores High or the Bermuda High expand and nudge north a little bit. And when you get a trough that kind of swings in from the north, we get a pool of cold air. We have that land that heats up from the high pressure and from the sun, and then that can get that convective thunderstorm activity going. So that's something we watch out for in May, and you want to keep in mind, especially if you're going to be outdoors. As far as alerts go, there's not a ton. Other than that, maybe thunderstorm risk. It is warm, it is pleasant, and it is really one of the best months out there. We do tend to see more crowds, prices go up because it is just a great time to visit. Now, we don't see a lot of cold air. There is kind of a local lore or legend. It's called Saints de Glace, and that means the saints of the ice saints. And so there's a little period kind of toward the end of the month that farmers really watch out for, and it can be this little last blast of cold air from the north. So that's a little local phrase that they use to talk about this little last hit of cold that can come in kind of in the middle and end of May. But I don't think it's going to really cause you any big problems. Maybe if you're taking a road trip to the north or touring the countryside, you want to have a jacket handy. But for the most part, in Paris, really not a big issue and a fantastic time to visit. Well, I hope you learned something from this video. Be sure to subscribe if you want to learn about more cities. I covered an entire year of Tokyo, so you can plan for that. I really hope you have a fantastic time on your trip. Be sure to take lots of pictures and make many great memories.